From craters to geysers, Iceland is home to some of the most spellbinding volcanic landscapes on Earth. And in this video, we're going to explore them all. Iceland has over 30 active volcanic systems and is home to more than 200 volcanoes. It's no surprise that the locals are familiar with a few. In fact, there are more volcanoes here than any other country in Europe. Although they may not be as famous as Mount Vesuvius or Mount St. Helens, these Icelandic volcanoes are just as active and powerful. Let's start with one of the most impressive. Herðubreið is a volcano located in the highlands of Iceland. This stratovolcano rises to an elevation of 1,683 meters above sea level, making it one of the tallest mountains in the country. The name Herðubreið comes from Old Norse and means cauldron. This is likely due to the shape of the mountain, which resembles a large pot or cauldron. Similar to other stratovolcanoes, Herðubreið was formed by layers of ash, lava, and other volcanic materials that built up over time. Its slopes are steep and covered in loose volcanic debris, making it a challenging but rewarding hike for experienced mountaineers. While there have been no recorded eruptions from Herðubreið in recent history, it is considered an active volcano and is monitored by the Icelandic Meteorological Office. So although it hasn't erupted for a long time, it could erupt again at any time. Because of this, climbing Herðubreið is a risky endeavor, and only experienced climbers should attempt it. However, the stunning scenery and sense of accomplishment that comes with reaching the summit make it a worthwhile challenge for those brave enough to take on the risk. Next, let's look at Grimsvötn. Grimsvötn is a volcano located under the Vatnajökull glacier in Iceland. It is the most active volcano in the country and has a long history of eruptions that have shaped the surrounding landscape. The name Grimsvötn comes from Icelandic and translates to mask. This is in reference to the volcanic ash and gases that often obscure the summit of the volcano, giving it a masked appearance. Unlike the stratovolcano Herðubreið, Grimsvötn is a subglacial volcano, meaning that it is covered by a thick layer of ice. This makes it difficult to study and monitor, but it also creates a unique and dramatic landscape. The eruptions of Grimsvötn are known for their power and violence, producing large amounts of ash and lava that can travel great distances. One of the most famous eruptions occurred in 2011, when a massive ash cloud spread across Europe, disrupting air traffic and causing widespread chaos. But despite the danger, Grimsvötn is a site of great natural beauty. The ice-covered slopes of the volcano are home to a variety of glaciers and ice caves that are popular destinations for tourists. And the surrounding area is also home to a number of other volcanic features, including hot springs and geothermal areas. Now, we'll explore the fascinating world of craters. A crater is a geological feature that can be found all over Iceland, created by the explosive eruptions of volcanic activity. These craters range in size from small depressions in the ground to large, deep calderas. One of the most impressive craters in Iceland is the Kerid crater lake. Located in the Golden Circle, this crater is nearly 65 meters deep and 550 meters wide, filled with crystal clear water. Visitors can hike to the rim of the crater and take in the breathtaking views of the lake below. Another notable crater is the Grimsstapa crater. This crater is located in the Snæfellsnes Peninsula and is known for its perfectly circular shape. It was formed by a single eruption about 600 years ago and is now a popular spot for photography enthusiasts. Iceland is also home to some of the largest impact craters in the world. The most famous is the Ásbyrgi Canyon. This crater is 7 kilometers wide and up to 150 meters deep, and is believed to have been formed by a meteorite impact about 120 million years ago. It is now home to a variety of plant and animal species, and is a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers. Moving on, let's delve into the captivating realm of geysers. Geyser is a geothermal area located in the Haukadalur Valley in Iceland. It is home to some of the most active and impressive geysers in the country, including the Great Geyser. The name geyser comes from the Icelandic word for gushing, and that's exactly what you see here. These geysers are constantly erupting, sending hot water and steam shooting high into the air. The water temperature can reach up to 100 degrees Celsius, and the eruptions can last for several minutes. But the main attraction is definitely the Strokkur geyser. It erupts every few minutes and shoots water up to 30 meters into the air. The force of the eruption is incredible, and it's definitely a sight to behold. You can walk around the geyser and see it from different angles, and there are also information boards that explain how it works and its history. Overall, Geyser is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Iceland. It's truly a remarkable display of natural beauty and power. Finally, we'll conclude our journey through Iceland's volcanic landscapes by exploring some of the most fascinating lava fields in the country. Lava fields are vast areas of solidified lava that were created by volcanic eruptions. They can be found all over Iceland, and each one is unique in its own way. One of the most impressive lava fields is the Dimmuborgir lava field. This field is located near Lake Mývatn and is characterized by its jagged lava formations and vast open spaces. Visitors can hike through the lava field and explore the unique landscape, and there are also several hiking trails that wind through the area. Another fascinating lava field is the Eldhraun lava field. This field is located in the highlands and is the largest lava field in Iceland, covering an area of over 500 square kilometers. It was formed by a single eruption in the 13th century, and visitors can hike on the field and see the vast scale of the eruption. One of the most unique lava fields in Iceland is the Volcanoes lava field. This field is located in the Snæfellsnes Peninsula and is known for its bright, colorful landscape. It was formed by a series of eruptions over the past few hundred years, and is now a popular destination for photographers and nature lovers. Throughout this adventure, you've witnessed the awe-inspiring beauty and raw power of Iceland's volcanic landscapes. From the majestic peaks of Herðubreið to the otherworldly beauty of subglacial volcanoes, from the mesmerizing craters to the captivating geysers and lava fields, Iceland's natural wonders never cease to amaze. But this journey has been more than just a visual spectacle. It's been a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive in Iceland's volcanic landscapes. And that's a reminder that no matter where we go in this world, we can find beauty and wonder if we just take the time to look for it. If you're planning a trip to Iceland and want to experience the magic of its volcanic landscapes for yourself, there are plenty of tours and activities available. But before you go, be sure to do your research and plan ahead. Check the weather forecast and pack accordingly. Be prepared for all types of weather even if you're visiting in the summer, and be respectful of the environment. Stay on marked trails and don't disturb the delicate ecosystem. By following these guidelines, you can help preserve the beauty of Iceland's volcanic landscapes for generations to come. If you enjoyed this journey through Iceland's volcanic landscapes, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures. And don't forget to share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring!